Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this tutorial we're going to take a look at Adobe Spark, which is a great tool for making digital stories. I just did a Google search for Adobe Spark. First link that comes up here, spark.adobe.com, is what you're looking for. And when you first land here, you can check out the features and the pricing and all that kind of stuff. We're just going to use a free account, but if you wanted to learn more, they do have a Learn More section with a variety of tools. Let's just click Start Now for free. And because I'm using Google Chrome, I can log in with my Google account. Once I land here, you can see some examples of things other people have created. And if you've made anything previously, you can find that here as well. To get started, we're going to click the plus sign to make something new. You can make a post, a page, or a video. We're going to focus on video. And you can give your project a title. I'm just going to call this Pets for now. And you can select a template if you'd like. Each of these has some kind of storyboard platform that you might want to consider. Notice there are 2 pages worth of templates. But because this is just a simple experiment, I'm just going to click Start from Scratch. You can see a quick video tutorial. It's about 1 minute long. I'm going to forego that. You can watch it if you'd like. And when you land here, notice you have your tools designated by this plus sign. You can add a video, text, photo, or icon. You have a storyboard down below that builds as you continue. We're just going to start with a photo and some text. Actually, let's start with some text. We'll just say pets make life better. And with the plus sign on the side here, I can make a background image. I'm going to click photo. You can upload your own. You can find free photos or use Adobe stock images or some other services. We're just going to stick to uploading my own for now. And let's grab that picture. So it automatically fixes the font for me and makes it light and a dark background, as the background of the photo is relatively dark. If I wanted to, I could add my own voice over this slide. The slide is 2 seconds long. If I click that, I could extend the time. Let's say it's 4 seconds long. And now with the plus sign, I can add a new slide. Like before, video, text, photo, or icon. Plus, you can also change the layouts. Let's just start with a split screen, and we'll add a photo to one side. Like before, you can upload your own or do some searching. I'm going to upload my own and grab a picture of my cat. And on the other side, I'm going to add some text. I can also add my own voice to this. To add voice, you're going to press and hold the microphone as you're speaking. If at first you don't succeed, you may see a little pop-up window asking permission to access the microphone. If you forget to give it access or you accidentally block it, click on the lock icon and you can see microphone, and you can choose to allow it for this site. I'm all set with that. Let me just start my recording. This is Waffles. As you can see, Waffles is a pretty good hunter. He's been with the family for quite a few years now. He was a birthday gift for my daughter when she turned 12. She's now 16. When he's not sleeping outside, Waffles enjoys hunting all the critters in the neighborhood. I can always record over that if I'd like. And as you can see, it did give me some time limits. 10 seconds is typical. You can go up to 30 seconds. But if you duplicate the slide, which you can see with the little arrows down here, you can duplicate it. You can continue to add more narration as you move forward. I'm going to add another slide here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the split screen. This time I'm going to add the photo on the opposite side. And I'm going to upload a photo of Copper the dog. And with the text box, I'm just going to say Copper. This is Copper. He loves to play outside. He's pretty athletic and fast. When he's not playing outside, he's sleeping on the couch and just making us smile in general. This dog is a bundle of energy. He's been with us, like I said, for a couple of years, and he's actually from Alabama. We got him from Helping Hounds. Let me add one more slide to this. Let's do another split screen. And let me add a photo on one side. Let me add another photo on the other side. Again, we're going to upload. Of course, I can use this to zoom in on stuff. And I thought I could also add some text. If I just click anywhere, I can add text to my scene. Actually, I can't add text to my scene. This is just going to change it from text or from image to text. So it looks like if I want a caption, I'm going to have to use something different, but it's typically only one photo per slide. So in this case, let me zoom out of this a little bit so you can see both of them together. When they're not sleeping in each other's beds or eating each other's food, you can typically find Copper and Waffles perched under the kitchen table waiting for scraps of food to drop. Don't they look innocent? Especially that dog. Look at those eyes. All right, looks like I'm all done. A couple other bells and whistles to add here. Notice there's a credit slide. You can add your own credits. Let's just change this. Alrighty. Once we're set with the credits, we can look at some background music. You can preview these. You could spend all day doing this. I think I want to choose Trek Further. Just click on the words Trek Further and it will automatically update. Notice as you play it, it has the background music featured. You can also change themes if you'd like. What that will do is change the font style and any color schemes you may have. Notice if I change it to Sage and click on a slide, the font is automatically changed for me. And when you're all set, you can either preview it, share it, or download it. If I click Share, for example, I just need to pick a category. We'll call this Education. It knows my name because I logged in. I gave it a title earlier. I can turn off sharing on the Adobe website. I can turn off the author. And I can just simply click Create Link. And it does take a moment or two to generate the link, but once you're all set, you can click Copy, and you can paste that link, whether it's in an email, Google Classroom, or what have you, just to have a cloud-based version of it or access to a cloud-based version of it. If you'd like to, and notice if I do paste that link into my browser, it will take me directly to the video. You may get a message that they're preparing the video. It does take a moment to load. But once it does, you simply click play. Alrighty, if you want your own version of this, you can download. This will take it offline. And once it's successful, you can see an MP4 version of it is downloaded to my computer. If you're working on a Chromebook, it'll go to your downloads folder and you can easily put it in Google Drive. You can play this independently of the internet at this point because now it is an MP4 and you can just put it on a flash drive or store it on your desktop and play it from your laptop. Anyway, just to recap, Adobe Spark, spark.adobe.com. You're going to pick what style you want, whether it's video, post, or page. And from there, you're going to pick various layouts, add your own photos, your own voice, and your own thematic style. Hope you found this interesting. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for listening.